Welcome back guys to another piano tutorial. Today we have a piano tutorial of the iconic One Piece original theme song called We Are. This can be played alongside anytime. Feel free to slow it down, double it if you want, or do whatever you want. We have music sheets available for free down below if you want to try, download it, follow along, and let's get into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed that play along. If you want to see more videos like this, then please like, comment, subscribe. It really helps build this channel. And if you want, please send us a donation in our music sheet link down below. And until next time, we'll see you next time.